Okay, this is a question about the penetrating power of alpha and beta. And in the table at the top it tells you a little bit about alpha and beta. If you've forgotten, it tells you that the alpha particle is a helium nucleus, so it consists of 2 protons and 2 neutrons, and the beta particle is just an electron. Right, the first thing you need to remember is what is the penetrating power of alpha and beta, and you should remember that alpha can be stopped by a thin sheet of paper or skin, whereas beta would need a few millimeters of aluminium. So obviously alpha is less penetrating, it's stopped by paper, so whereas beta would pass through. Why is this? So you need to explain why. Well, alpha is big, compared with an electron, it's big and lumbering, so the alpha is bigger. It has more charge. It has a charge of 2 plus compared with the electron, which has a charge of -1. The alpha particle, when it collides with things, it bashes electrons out of the atoms. Okay, so alphas cause more ionization. I mentioned the alpha particles being bigger means they have bigger mass. Okay, so to slow them down, something has to provide a bigger force, and if they're not penetrating very far, that means that they have to be slowed down very quickly, so their kinetic energy is lost very quickly. How is that achieved? Well, it must have an effect on whatever it's crashing into. It's basically knocking electrons out, okay, and causing the atoms to be ionized. Okay, and then finally here, because the alpha are quite large and lumbering and charged, big charge, they are more likely to collide with atoms, whereas electrons, the beta particle electrons, will penetrate further before colliding with an atom.